Howdy. Let's get you closer. There's the edge. Wow, still very full. Is that better? So, howdy. Welcome to today's junk journal video. I don't really have a plan, don't have a theme picked out or anything. I just kind of roll in with the punches. I have my Pepsi here today, my Diet Pepsi, and I might crack open a Celsius at some point because I am kind of tired today. Okay, so my beautiful box. Let's get out this gorgeous creature. You know, we have this goddess of a page, this okay spread, this one, yeah. So let's open to the next one. Should be this page. I think I want to do one using this. This was from his gift. He just tore it off. So we're going to consider using that. This finally broke. Completely pointless. So we might use this. I have a whole bunch of prescriptions. What's this? Oh, this is Goodwill. Okay, maybe we'll use that. Oh, I have this tag. So this is from Valentine's. We could do like a February type spread. This is also from Valentine's. This is my hot chocolate box. I might save that for later though. There's this, which is quite a behemoth. But I think, I mean, we could do a colored spread. We could do a blue spread since we have the blue from my dad's thing. And we have this thing. And we have some blue wrapping paper here. But I don't know if I want to do blue wrapping paper. We also have this bag, which might be fun to use. We could do a blue and pink, so we could combine these. Or we could just do pink, but I really want to use this, you know, so I don't know. And then there's this cutie little card, which I think we could just do a pink one. So I'll put that in there. This is also like pink. I don't know, I think we're just gonna start out with that, and I might look up some inspiration on my iPad. Don't look at my password. Okay. So I have been saving a lot of junk journal things, and I follow some junk journal people online, but like, I don't know, I just don't feel very inspired right now, but I also don't want to do nothing. Okay, low-key don't have a lot on here. More ideas, junk journal. Yeah, so low-key think we're gonna do a little monochromatic spread. So cut this bad boy up. I don't know how we want to do this. We could make it like an openable, like flat. I don't know. I kind of just want this square, and then I don't know what we're gonna do with the rest. This was really good, by the way. I recommend. It had some sort of filling that was just absolutely delicious. No, unstick. Okay, so what if we do like this just across? So we want maybe have this on top, or like, I don't know, I want like a middle piece. Ugh, I hate these. Oh, I just hit my head on there. I hit my head on you guys. I hate doing this little edge. It's actually not the worst thing in the world, but it's also not like the best thing. Is that good? No. Fuck. Sure. Beverly Hills. That's where I want to be. Okay, should we hot glue that on? Should we do this as like our little background? Or no? What about this bad boy? You guys remember this bad boy? We got some blue in here. What about one of these? Or the birds? I don't know that they're like saturated enough. Like we kind of got a different blue going on. Maybe we could cut some of these out. But that, like, we can make a beachy spread low-key. I don't know what we're gonna do as the background though. That's what pissing me off. I also have this one, which does have this like darker blue. But is that too much blue? Or we could do this to complement this color. I mean, when else am I gonna use this? So, you can vaguely see that. Is it better in the light? Yeah, it's better in the light. I really should go to the gym today, but I just don't feel very energized. Like, I don't want to. You know, usually I have a little bit more energy, and I've eaten, like, good food today. Like, I've eaten avocado, chicken, broccoli. Like, it's been healthy. Like, I don't know why I feel like shit. Okay, where's my baby? My baby. Whatever. Where's my glue stick? That's the question. Here it is tonight. Sure. That's the question. Beautiful. Beautiful. Crazy. Can't help but amaze me. Ain't afraid to take chances and wears her heart on her sleeve. Yeah, she's crazy, but her crazy's beautiful to me. Something like that. This side. Is that all the way up? Wears her heart on her sleeve. I really gotta get that song out of my head. That was a bad corner. Yes. Cutie, patootie. See the inside, the outside, the edges, the middle. This low-key might not stay. It's kind of being a butthead to me right now. Maybe we should hot glue this, because this is like a little bit thicker. I don't know, it kind of seems like it's staying. Please, please, please. Ugh, it's pissing me off. We're getting out the big guns, and by that I mean the only gun, the hot glue gun. Clean up, everybody do your share. Clean up. Something. Ooh, it's all crusty. Do not do this. Oh, is it sticking? Almost. Well, let's do this part. Wonderful. Happy birthday, Dad. Let's tuck this tape in. Or maybe we could rip it off. Or maybe we could cut it off. Maybe it adds to the character. For the first time ever, Kara successfully glues something down without burning. Woo! And the crowd goes wild. Go wild, guys. Go wild. I'm gonna do something like this, maybe. Or like this. And then we do like that. And then, okay, well, update, I got a job and I burnt the fuck out of my finger, except for I couldn't call the lady back about the job because it kept sending me to their stupid AI assistant. And it just, every time I mentioned job or speak to manager, it said, you can blah, 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 blah online. Anyway, I burnt the fuck out of my finger. But I think it'd be funny to say happy birthday, nutritional facts, 3 servings per container, serving size 4 pieces, 33 grams, amount per serving, calories 200, blah, blah, blah. You know, I think that would be funny. So, that's what we're doing. My finger hot. Should be like best before, blah, blah, blah. The glue has genuinely never been this hot. Like, it's really fucking hot. What do we think about it? Do we like so far? Are we fucking with it? I'm gonna put this here. Ooh, we running out. She does reluctantly close. she's already fat, and I only have like 3, or I only have 4 or 5 spreads. Okay. Do we want to make a Valentine's spread, or should I get ready for class? I should probably get ready for class. But I feel like it's not complete. I feel like we need more. Maybe some blue stickers, if I have any. Yeah. This would be good for like a beach spread though. I kind of like that, but I don't think that fits the vibe we have. Maybe I do some butterflies? Maybe? The only thing I really know is she got sex appeal. I can feel. Too much is never enough. Okay. I feel like that definitely made it look a little bit better. She's a little more cohesive. A little more cutie tootie, fruity stuff. This one looks a little boring compared to these two, you know. Maybe we should do some like stars around the happy birthday. Do you have more? Yeah, I have like non-glittery ones. Sorry, I just left y'all hanging. Non what? Non who knows? Non anything. Non-nom. I used to think that happy endings were only in the books I read. Should we do some flowers? I do have flower stickers too. Are they all the same? Yeah. So let's maybe do this one. Should we do a white sticker? Let's do a white flower over here since there's a lot of darkness. Okay, I like her. And she closes. That's crazy. How many pages are in this thing? There's 180 and we're on page 14, 15. So, no, we're not. We're on page 12 and 13. Wow, she's gonna get obese. I'm excited to watch her on her food fetish journey.